Hi, Spencer from DIY Marquees. Today we're looking at how to fit flat roof linings. First thing you're going to do is you're going to have bundles of roof linings. You need to identify which is which. There's end sections and there's middle sections. It goes without saying the end sections are to go at either end of the marquee, the middle sections to go in the middle, whatever size marquee you've got. So to identify them, a mid section has got two lots of Velcro. This is a 2-inch Velcro, so it's got two bundles here with different sizes. An end section for the roof lining has only got one lot of Velcro because the other side is actually the gable that's going to hang down. It doesn't need Velcro on that side. Okay, so one lot of Velcro is the end panel, two lots of Velcro is a mid section. Now we're going to look at how we put them up. At the end of your roof lining, you want the pelmet to be as straight as possible. So if it's hanging down just a little bit, there's a tab behind here that can be cable tied up to the roof braces. Often you need 2 or 3 cable ties to do it, but you lift it up slightly just to get that end as straight as possible. Once you put your roof linings up, they need to Velcro together. If you've got any cable ties that are sticking out like this, just trim them off before you Velcro the roofs together so they don't stick through. Then the 2-inch Velcro just goes together on both sides of the lining. So you've now done your pleated roofs, the pleated gables and the lining socks. So everything above head height is now done. The finishing touch is putting a swag round. Swags just Velcro up, start in one corner, pull it tight as you work your way along and Velcro it in place. Now, sometimes linings might appear a little wrinkled to start with. They do fall out over time. Okay, so you're putting your swags all the way around. They're all in 2-meter sections. It never ever works out that it finishes neatly in the corner. This is where we started. This is where we finished. We've got swag left over. A couple of options that you can do. One is just run it round underneath the existing one. So you run it round, just reach under and Velcro it on where this panel is. It tends to look a little baggy in places, so personally what I do is just sort of bundle this up and tuck it into the corner. So that comes down over the head and then it gets lost in the corner. So that's all the pleated linings done. We've got the roof up, the gables, all the lining sots are on the braces. You've got pleated walls, curtains covering the legs with everything sort of wrapped round. Normally have a little walk round, make sure there's no cable ties sticking out, cut any and trim them off if needed. Otherwise, that's a pleated roof lining. And